Hello ukulele friends, I have my afternoon cup of coffee and I've got an exciting edition of my Veda vlog every day in August because I got some gear in and we're going to talk about this, so sit down, get your favorite beverage and let's go. In here is a Leolani stick-on pickup. So this is a way to take an acoustic instrument and make it an acoustic electric instrument. Cute little package here. I paid for this with my own money, although I did get a discount code from Larry of Ukulele Project Hawaii, which is a charitable organization, and I have, through the support of my patrons, thank you so much patrons, we were able to send him 5 ukuleles. I have another goal that's shaping up for when I hit 200 patrons. So, you know, if you think you've got $1 a month, that's all it takes. You know, if you'd like to donate more, great. And I have great rewards, and it gets you all of my chord charts, which are very descriptive, very useful learning tools. So come join us on Patreon and do some good. Spread the ukulele love. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There are instructions in here, and there's stuff to stick it on with in this box, so I'm going to do it. I've got it on. It's got a little plug in here. So it says, I hope I've got the stick-on function, but you know, I love, I think it's 3M, that I went to grad school with a gal that her husband worked for 3M. I hope it says you can just twist this off and then put the protective film back on it to preserve it in a case. You don't have to keep this on all the time, or at least that's the theory. So why would I want to make my instrument electric? Well, several reasons. One is I have an acoustic electric and I hate it. I really don't like it. Okay, well, maybe I didn't do this right. Let's see. That's not promising. Okay. And the instructions on this are pretty vague. I mean, it's just this one page, and it doesn't say which side of the sticky is supposed to go where. Did I miss something? Is there something hanging out in here? No. That is the full sum of the directions. So. Well, that's not working. Maybe maybe I'm supposed to do that and take that off. There was a circle, just the circle portion on it in here, but it's like, it's not sticking. And there's just not a whole lot of directions. Okay, that seems to be holding. It said to put it, I'm fumbling around down here to get my cord and stick it in. I got, oops, it just fell off again. This so far is not pinning out. Well, let's get it plugged into my amp. That's what I'm fumbling around down here doing. Stay. Okay, I turned it all the way off, so let's... And it's just twisting around here. Looks like the cord is too heavy for it or something. But it's obviously picking up stuff. Well, this stick-on function is not working yet. I don't know if it's an operator error. Well, no. There should be some frickin' directions in here, right? And it just fell off again. Well, let me turn the power off here. Well, I'll play around with it and let you know if I can get this to stick. I'm back and I've been futzing with it, the while here, and discovered if I flipped the adhesive around and then discovered that there was a little film of plastic stuff on it, and so got it to work. It is confusing. One of the things is, let's see if you can see it like this. There was a circle cut out, it was all together, but there was a circle cut out, and truly no directions on how to put the adhesive on were given. I looked through all the stuff thinking like maybe I forgot something. This one piece of paper, and didn't say a thing about the adhesive other than 3M adhesive. Be sure to save the protective film to store this device, and use a twisting motion to take off the pickup. Now it says it has battery life of 30 to 40 hours, but let's listen, okay? You heard a little bit before. Now it seems to be staying. If it falls off on this, then we're really in trouble. But got it fully electrified here. So scratching sounds all right. Let's see, let's do some muting. So that seems to work. Let's see. I think it sounds nice. Now I should also share with you that I have this dinky little, I don't even know where I got this. I actually think my husband probably picked it up in a pallet of stuff at an auction. So, because I have no recollection of buying that. And my other amp that's up north, a friend of mine gave it to me. So far, so good. Why do I want to do this? Well, I'll tell you why. I have an electric acoustic instrument, and I really don't like it. It's not anything to do with the electric acoustic that's on board. What the problem is that this neck is so narrow. I need to sell this, is what I need to do. It's so narrow that if you line up the strings, then depending on which string you line it up, then the strings can be up to 1/4 inch different than what they are on this instrument. And my, I don't know about you, but my fingers don't like relearning all the time. And so I play this instrument and it buzzes because I don't play it as well. I can't get the clean placement, and I want clean. I want buzzy when I want buzzy, but I want clean when I want clean. And so it's just not working for me. Because I travel a lot between 2 locations, I'm not a collector of instruments. So this is, I think this is gonna work. I'll put an update if it doesn't. So I'm hoping that one of these days I can actually perform on a stage and use my favorite ukulele, and it'll be electrified. And then also I'm hoping to get some gear, and in fact, if you know of a good USB pickup, I want to do that because I want to run my sound directly into my computer. And so this hopefully will allow me to do that. So thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
I'd like to build the world a home and furnish it with love. Grow apple trees